Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Robinhood to Metamask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's essential for trading and holding value. Maybe you've got some USDT sitting on Robinhood and want to move it to your Metamask wallet for more flexibility on the blockchain. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, making it easy and straightforward. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with USDT and a MetaMask wallet set up. Update your apps to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. Things like enhanced security and faster transactions are common now. Start by logging into your Robinhood app. Head over to the crypto section, find your USDT balance, and select the withdraw option. Robinhood might prompt you to choose the network. For USDT, go with Ethereum or whatever blockchain it's on to avoid any issues. Next, open your MetaMask wallet on your phone or browser extension. If you haven't added USDT yet, do that by searching for it in the token list. It's usually under Tether. Once you're in, copy your wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it to prevent any mix-ups. Head back to Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a small network fee, so factor that in. Before you hit confirm, review everything. In 2025, crypto transfers are quicker, but they still need network confirmation, which could take a few minutes. Once you approve, Robinhood will process the withdrawal, and you'll see the USDT pop up in your MetaMask wallet shortly after. Always keep an eye on transaction status to ensure it goes through smoothly. And there you have it. Your USDT is now in MetaMask, ready for DeFi action. If you run into any hiccups, double-check the network compatibility or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.